So you guys need them brought back to the park?
They want them brought back because they want to press charges, yeah.
Okay.
And they're in health services right now.
You want me to talk?
Oscar 380 to 371. You go car to car for a minute? Are you the officer that has charges on another party that's out here in City Walk? Alright, do you have a description? We're out here with the managers. We're at the Universal Legacy store right here in the middle of the plaza. Bravo Foxtrot, Whiskey Foxtrot. And IOA just asked us to stay 10-12. He's trying to still confirm what he's got going on.
So they're telling
Who?
they're saying that they smoking their meats.
That what?
That them, the party just trying to push they smoke on her meats.
Okay.
And so now it's. But if it's involving you, we're gonna need you to fill out.
And I feel like I'm over here. I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Alright, so we're just you get her supervisor.
You get everything. So I don't know.
What's she asking?
About OPD statement.
She said she want her to write a statement.
Do they not have a security officer out here that has the statement form for her? Because I can go get one, but I'm going back to my car.
No, they have it.
They usually carry them.
Yeah. Dana, do you guys have a security officer close by that has a statement form for us?
Yeah, I got a call.
Okay.
Can I use the bathroom at least so I don't pee on myself?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Alright, you're
Alright,
gonna be
put your other
arrested
hand.
for aggravated battery, okay?
Can you get my charger?
Yeah, we'll get it.
Yeah,
for
we'll
you.
take care of all that. We're not going anywhere just yet, okay?
You told me this wasn't gonna happen. She started.
I told you I didn't know what was going to happen.
Like she started. I'm cooperating. I told y'all the truth for everything.
I understand that.
Well,
yeah.
And here's the deal, okay? The video shows what it shows. I'm not going off of
I'm
it.
not even from here. I didn't come here for that. I suffer with anxiety. Like, sir.
You can have a seat again. You can sit back down.
Oh my God.
Have a seat back down.
I'm not even from here.
Okay. Do you have anything in this bag that you want to go with you?
My phone is here. That's for my. Can you take the charger, please?
So the charger in the bag, you want me to give it to the...
Well, here's the deal. Here's the deal. I would recommend taking your phone with you so you have numbers in it. That way you can call.
So can I keep that charger?
Sure.
Or no? Thank you.
You can take this with you, and I would recommend taking the phone. Okay.
Can I just get my ID?
Who is
please?
that out there?
That's my brother-in-law.
Is your ID in here?
The little black pouch that you got?
This?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want your brother-in-law to take all this? Otherwise, it's gonna go with you.
Can you just call my sister, please?
Your ID's in here?
Yeah. I got a bunch of money in my bag.
Yeah,
I need to see my bag over. Y'all keeping me overnight and everything?
I'm not. No.
No.
I never said that.
No.
Like, I'm not good. Stuff like this, you're gonna make me panic. And I don't want to end up in a hospital. First, there's my ID.
That's your ID. Okay, so I'm going to put all your cards back in here. Okay. She wants that to go with her. Yeah, she wants that to go with her. Money is going back in the little black pouch. Do you want me to put all the Kleenex back in there for you too? Or you want me to throw that away?
Yes, because I have medication in there.
You have medication in these?
That's my anxiety stuff. Can I just use the bathroom, please? I'm not going to run on y'all.
We will take you to the bathroom. Just give us a second, okay?
I'm cooperating.
I understand that.
And I understand y'all saying my niece started, but my niece did not start that. Like, my niece did not start that. That shit is not fair because she did not start that.
So, like I said, the verbal altercation, we don't know who started the verbal altercation. When this turned into the physical altercation,
And that's why I didn't run from your
according to the video, your niece is the one that started the physical altercation. Like I said, so then that's when everything turns physical. That's when the crime starts occurring. Between the two of them pushing back and forth is, like the other officer told you, is one thing. And then when you come in and you swing and you split her eyelid open, she's got a black eye, her eyelid split open, she's going to have to go get stitches now. That is considered an aggravated.
little problem. That's why I said don't fuck with these. Can I just use the bathroom? Like, I'm not running out of nothing.
Give us a minute. We will get you over to the bathroom. Okay? Give us a second. Is there anything else in this black bag that you want to go with you?
No, but can I see you give it to my brother?
Yep.
Make sure you do.
Whenever you're ready, I got in one stall.
Straight across, right?
Right here to the left.
Right to the left? Okay. Once he leaves, we'll take her. I'll take her over to you. They have a one-stall bathroom that she can go use.
To what?
They have a one-stall bathroom for her to use. You okay with her using the bathroom so she can pee?
I'm cooperating.
All right, come on.
Where's this bathroom at? Right here? All right.
To the left.
Chris, we're coming out. She's going to go use the bathroom.
Dan,
Yeah.
make sure that he gets informed on how
Yoshi.
Yeah.
Yoshi. My nigga, like, you know I don't play with cops. Yo. Oh my God. Where's my umbrella?
I gave it to him. He has your umbrella. I've not gone to this bathroom. We always use the one that's in there where like the money counters are at.
I'll just go swing the car around. So.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yep.
Are you driving me somewhere to, like, put me in your system?
That
Like
officer,
him?
we're going to put you in his car. He's going to do the report, and then another officer will come and get you and then transport you down to the jail. We can't leave
Is
here.
it far from here? Like,
It's probably
hours?
it's probably 15, 20 minutes from
Okay.
here. No. Yeah. She's going down to 33rd.
This is going to be on my record. Like, I'm in school to go in the union.
Yes, ma'am. This is going to be on your record. Up here's the bathroom for you. No, I don't want them tightening more down on you, okay? This way it doesn't crush your wrist. All right?
Wow, it actually worked.
What?
Somebody just took 40 just like that.
Mhm.
I'm surprised. All right, well, shoot.
Yeah, no, we do that all the time. We're going to put you in the back of this patrol car right here.
Tell my family where they taking me.
Yep, we will make sure that all that gets relayed to them, okay?
Thank you. Yeah, I got to get in the back.
Yes, you are going to get in the back seat.
Right here.
I thought he was
Oh,
going
no,
to the
man.
trunk.
No, I'm sorry. That was my fault.
Yeah, no, you're not getting in the trunk.
I don't want to fall or anything.
Here.
Easier if you... There you go.
Okay.
Who's looking to talk to me?
Right here.
Mom? Yes. Yes, ma'am.
That's my sister got arrested.
So your sister is going to jail tonight for aggravated battery.
So
What other boy?
The one that pushed my daughter, I'm gonna press charges too.
Okay. So I'm going to explain to you just like I explained to your husband. Okay. So we have your guys' side of the story, we have their side of the story, and then we have what the video actually shows.
Okay. So can we see the video too? Cause y'all watching it and telling us what's going on. Cause an officer just told me I was fucking there too. So we want to see the tape.
Okay.
She was there.
I don't know what officer told you you were
The one
there.
that came up with you that was talking to her.
Okay.
And
So
it gives me.
so the video I am not allowed to show you because it is now evidence.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's all you see in the video. So is she?
So what we see in the video, I'm going to explain to you guys. So what we see in the video is we see a verbal altercation between her and your sister.
Okay.
And then the white female that had the red shirt on, and then I guess her two brothers are there. There's a verbal altercation.
Okay. So
Yeah. The white female and then her two brothers are there with her and then your sister. So during the verbal altercation, at a point in that verbal altercation, she becomes physical going to shove somebody. I don't know who it is that she initially shoves, but she starts the initial physical altercation.
So you didn't see the boy shove her first and her shove him back?
The boy never touches anybody. Through all angles of the video, there's 3 different angles. He doesn't touch anybody. So all he does is he steps into the middle. So
exactly. That's what I'm saying.
there's a shoving match between her and the female. The boy, the sister, the 19-year-old. There is a shoving match between her and the 19-year-old girl. The boy does not.
The sister needs to get somebody.
So,
She's 19, she's 15.
She's
And the boy that
underage.
shot my daughter, I want to press charges on him.
So,
We're gonna do it just like that.
unfortunately, we have the incident report. It's being initiated. As far as pressing charges on them, because of her being the primary aggressor, there's nothing for you all to be able to press charges on because she is the primary aggressor in this incident. On the video, yes. The video is what we're going off of.
So, Rachel
Matt, the
slurs
other cops is telling the whole story. They saw something totally
Exactly.
different, and now the whole
Every
different story.
time.
Yeah, it don't make sense.
every time one of them
But you can see evidence once everything.
So once everything gets filed and everything, that will go into evidence. You all can do the request to be able to see the video, at which time you guys can then see the video. I am not allowed to show you the video right now.
And then you can go forward that way.
Absolutely. And then the big issue is your sister that had nothing to do with this. Like, I understand that, yes, we have a shoving match between her and the 19-year-old. Yes. The issue is your sister stepping in, punching and hitting the female, splitting her eye open. So she has to go get stitches. She's on her way to the hospital to have that taken care of. So in the state of Florida, I don't know what it is up in New York, but in the state of Florida, that is considered permanent disfigurement, injury, and everything else, which is an aggravated battery, which is a felony charge. That's what she is going to jail tonight for, is aggravated battery. They gave him the paperwork of where she is going, because
Okay.
that sheet of paper has the address of where she's going and everything else.
When is she seeing a judge or something? We don't live out here.
Seeing a judge, she's not going to see a judge tonight. She'll be able to post bond. So I can't tell you what the bond is going to be because you guys are from New York. The bond is doubled. So I don't know what the bond will be because you guys are from out of state. You will be able to post the bond, at which time you guys can get her out of jail and you guys can go about your business.
So the
Okay.
family press charges, or y'all just do
The 19-year-old is pressing charges for her injury to her eye. The 19-year-old is the one pressing charges. The mom is not doing anything. She has nothing to do with it. It's the 19-year-old female that had the red shirt on that is pressing charges against the sister for punching her and splitting her eye open.
How does the refund work? If I told you to come here for the refund?
The refund, as far as Universal is concerned, I have nothing to do with. That is something, yes, sir, this gentleman right here can assist you all with the refund and as far as that goes. He's wearing it. The only thing she kept at her request was her cell phone, a phone charger so that we could charge her phone for her so she could call one of you guys, somebody, and then her ID. Everything else was given to him.